The trouble code B12C5 in a Honda vehicle is often accompanied by an annoying message keyless start system error. This is a huge issue for the Pilot, HR-V, CR-V and the Honda Fit, which apparently share the same type of engine start button at some point in their lives. The problem is always connected with the button itself, but most mechanics will offer to buy the new engine start switch and just have it replaced. It costs well over $100 plus labor cost for taking off some trim, so it's not that cheap, I would say. The thing is that the actual problem with this code is contamination inside the button or slight corrosion of the contacts, and you can solve this issue by cleaning the contacts with isopropyl alcohol or any good contact cleaner. The circuit board is located in the back of the button and it's easy to get to. You will need to carefully clean the circuit board of any corrosion traces and also the two contacts on the back cover of the switch. After that, the button will work for many years more, and it only makes sense to replace it with the new one when the switch feels loose or has visual damage on the button itself. So instead of paying around $200 for the repairs, you can fix this B12C5 code on your own. Just make sure you find a good video or guide on how to get the button out, because it will differ from one model to another.